Hello and welcome to Kalika classes. In this video, we will talk about continuation of Coulomb's law. मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर कोई भी सेम टॉपिक को हिंदी मीडियम में देखना चाहते हैं तो वे कृपया उसी वीडियो पर स्विच कर लें. So let's see guys what is the Coulomb's law. In the previous video, we have talked about definition of Coulomb's law, that was F is directly proportional to multiplication of two charges Q1 into Q2 divided by separation between both of them. Okay, like this. So what will be the magnitude of force between both the charges? But after sometimes we can say like that कि if we have to remove the proportionality sign, then what we do? We do like, if suppose we are talking about a proportional size, okay, means कि any one quantity when increasing, then the another quantity is also increasing and vice versa. Means there is some constant which will remain always with the proportionality. If we have need to remove the sign of proportional, then what we do? We put a equal to sign and some constant k. This is the meaning of proportional. Okay, so now this proportional sign is replaced with equal to k, and this is the remaining part, which is q1 into q2 divided by r square. Firstly, it was known as only Coulomb's constant. Only Coulomb's constant, and it was given 8.875 and so on, and 10 raised to power 9, and this is only the numerical value. Okay, we are not talking about here the unit of this numerical value or this constant k, that is Coulomb's law, Coulomb's constant. Okay, so after some times, as we all know that physics does what? Physics always try to give a very precise or very accurate value of any constant. Okay, but here what gets happen? It was that, but we had need to simplify it more. Okay, so after more simplification, this k gets replaced with the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught dot q1 q2 r square. See here, that is only k is getting replaced by the value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and 4 is what? A numeric value. Pi is what? That is equals to 3.14. We are not interested to talk about its larger value. We are only taking the 3.14, and this is the relative permittivity of free space. And what is the meaning of free space? It means only that either air or vacuum. Okay, suppose these two charges are placed in free space displaced by distance r, and this is our free space. Okay, it means कि free space means this is, these both charges are kept either in air or in vacuum. Okay. Permittivity means here only that कि what is the amount of this field which will be allowed or permitted to pass through either Q1 or Q2. Okay. So what is the meaning of this term, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And before calculating this, I would like to firstly talk about its unit. Okay. After then we will see unit of this. So in the previous classes read about these types of equations like this, and if you write 1 by c, then it converted to c to the power -1 and so on. Okay. Then f is equals to f is equals to k q1 dot q2 divided by r square. What is the unit of force? That is Newton. And what we have to find the unit of k. Okay. From here easily we can see q1 and q2. What is the unit of charge? That is Coulomb. And Coulomb is written as only c, means c into c, and r, that is distance. And if we talk about the distance, then what is the unit of distance? In SI unit, that is meter. Okay. So as this is here in the squared form, means meter square will be here. So now you can see like this, c square divided by m square, and what we have to find? That is unit of k. How it can be? Suppose here it is Newton, and we have to cancel this or this. Okay. This and this and this, both we have to cancel out. To cancel out this, what is the requirement? M to the power 2 and c to the power 2. Okay. Because the square only can nullify the square. So we are adding here this new term, that's why this can be written as n m square c inverse square. Okay. So now what will be the unit of k? That is n meter square per Coulomb square. Okay. So this is the numeric value of Coulomb's constant k, and this is the unit of k. Okay. In this video till now we have talked about only here, means only Coulomb's constant magnitude and the unit of Coulomb's constant. In the next video we will see what will be the unit of this quantity. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you.